Adding motion with the transform effect. An alternative to the motion effect settings is the transform effect, available in the Effects panel Video Effects Distort category. These two effects offer similar controls, but the transform effect offers three key differences. 1. Changes to a clip's anchor point, position, scale, and opacity settings are processed in the stack with other effects. Unlike the motion settings, this means effects such as drop shadows and bevels can behave differently, usually more correctly. 2. There are additional skew axes, and shuttle angle settings to allow a visual angular transformation to clips. 3. The transform effect can automatically simulate motion blur for more natural-looking movement. Let's compare the two effects. Open the sequence 07 Motion and Transform. Scrub through the sequence to familiarize yourself with it. There are two sections in the sequence. Each has a picture-in-picture rotating twice over a background clip while moving from left to right. Look carefully at the position of the shadow on each pair of clips. In the first example, the shadow follows the bottom edge of the pip and appears on all four sides of the clip as it rotates, which obviously isn't realistic because the light source producing the shadow would not be moving. In the second example, the shadow stays on the lower right of the pip, which is more realistic. Click the first clip on the V2 track and view the effects applied in the Effect Controls panel, the motion effect and the drop shadow effect. Now click the second clip on the V2 track. The transform effect is producing the motion this time, with the drop shadow effect again producing the shadow. The transform effect has many of the same options as the motion effect, with the addition of skew axes, and shutter angle. As you can see, the drop shadow effect works more realistically when combined with the transform effect than when it's used with the motion effect alone, because of the order in which the effects are applied. The motion effect is always applied after other effects.